Welcome to Baja Window to the South. Today I'm extremely excited, let me tell you, because I'm with someone really special. He is basically a chef, a star here in Baja California, a talent, of course, yes you are. You probably already know him, Ruffo Ibarra. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
And of course, I would like to start. Please, tell me, how did it started? How do you start cooking and that desire to do this?
Like most people that are crazy enough to get into cooking and restaurant life, with mom in the kitchen at probably 5 years old. By 8, I could cook by myself, eggs or pancakes or very simple stuff. And I just grew around the kitchen. My mom was always in the kitchen. We would dance in the kitchen, we would sing in the kitchen, we would do everything in the kitchen. As a Latin family, it's the heart of the house. So that's how it started. I have a lot of family that are great cooks. Both my grandmothers were amazing cooks. My mom, obviously, aunts, uncles. But I'm the only crazy one that actually, went for it and made a profession out of this.
Recently, you were in Lyon, in France, of course.
Yeah.
And this, like the Olympics for the chess.
Yes.
We can call it that way,
Yeah,
right? Basically, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So I know well, we as Mexicans, you guys, from Baja California,
Yeah.
they got an award,
Yeah.
right? Because I know you help a lot of people, friends, and right, with Tijuana Sin Hambre and all about humanity. So please just tell us about the experience.
The experience was amazing. Chef Marcelo Hisaki from Tecate Amores was the one representing us in the kitchen.
Yeah.
He was a candidate. It's basically the Olympics. It's a team. It's a big team, but the ones that are, hands-on is Marcelo Hisaki, Ekomi, which is like an assistant in the kitchen. Only 2 people cook. A coach, Pepe Salinas from Balcón del Zócalo in Mexico City.
You were the president and jury
and
for
I was the
wine
president
tasting,
and
right?
jury for the team of Mexico. And it was an amazing experience. It is the Olympics, the intensity, the grind, the training. It's a lot. It's training, and we learned a lot. A lot happened during the competition. Denmark won, and they did an amazing job. But it's 24 countries out of the entire world, and Mexico hadn't been there for 12 years, so it was a big deal to be in the finals. It was a big deal. It moved all of us to push to make this the normal. Like Mexico needs and should be there every time.
Yes.
So we're going to work on that. And it was the first year that the competition awarded a team for social commitment. I love what they're doing because they're pushing towards, being conscious, sustainability, food education, and they're pushing with the best chefs in the world. So the impact is huge.
It's huge, yes.
So we won the first social commitment award.
Wow.
It was incredible.
Congratulations.
I could almost, I talk a lot.
No, come on.
It was
It's great.
It was incredible. It was very moving for me because, yes, I've been working with a lot of nonprofits through the years, World Central Kitchen, who were part of the jury. This is about humanity, Tijuana Sin Hambre, Castro Limon, even Mark Anthony's thing. There's a lot of people helping, and I've always been very blessed to have the values pounded into my core by my mom and my dad.
Most definitely.
So it meant a lot. It meant, honestly, to me, that meant more than competing for food.
I bet.
And what I love is that it put Mexico in a different light. Normally, Mexico, we have notorious fame for other things that are not positive all the time. So to have, out of Sweden, Denmark, the U.S., it's a UN reunion, and then get Mexico as the most committed team when it comes to social commitment.
No, that was great. It was all over the news, and a lot of people were so excited about it. I mean, even when I was reading, I was like, "Oh my God!" And there's this guy, and just cheering up. no, congratulations.
Thank
I mean,
you. Thank you.
And mostly what you mentioned that, you know, you're going to keep working towards that. So Mexico, you know, have a place, and it's known for other things. We need that, you know, because
Absolutely.
we have a lot. We have talent, and we have a lot to offer in many, many, many ways. And big heart as well, because that's, you know, like really what you're doing from the heart. You know how it is, you know. So, Ruffo, I don't know if there's something else that you would like to add. Of course, we can go on and on and on, you know, forever. But
no, I mean, my life is crazy right now.
My life is crazy right now. Wait, when it's not, that's what I say to myself. Well, I hope the time I'm like, I'm in this, I'm doing that, and when it's not, but it's good, you know, because that's the balance.
It's all good things. Just stay tuned. We'll be doing a few events in San Diego. I'm actually doing Feeding San Diego in March. You
see, there you go.
Yeah, I mean, whatever we can do
always
is always, and it's fun as well. So yeah, we'll be here for the most part of this year. Last year I had to travel a lot. This year will be dedicated to like Tijuana and San Diego area. And I'm excited about it.
Wonderful. Thank you. And I hope, and I'm going to say this in front of the camera, that one day you can cook for us and we can, you know, come on.
We'll do it. We'll definitely do it.
Great, and our audience love that.
Yeah, so, we'll do a couple of recipes. We'll have fun, maybe a drink.
Why not? Yes, of course. Thank you so much, Ruffo. Thank you so much for this interview.
No, thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Well, and thank you. This was Baja Window to the South.